Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. It's time to do the Going Gear EDC Club box video. I feel like I just did this, but maybe I just received two of them fairly close together. Thanks so much to Going Gear for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So this is the Going Gear EDC Club. This is the premium one. They send it to me once a month. You can sign up for this if you want to. There's a premium box and there's a regular box. The boxes, if you go back and watch these under, I think the playlist is called Loot Grind. If you check those out over the last year, every single one of them has been pretty awesome. And every time the contents of the box has easily been much higher than the total cost of the individual items combined, which is nice, right? That's kind of the trade-off, because you don't know what you're going to get, but the value's always there. The other benefit of watching me do this is, of course, that you can simply go to Going Gear and buy these items individually, right? So whatever you like to do, you can just do it, and people can kind of make whatever choice they want and just be happy with it, I guess. Two knives, one from Vosteed and one from WE, right off the bat, already looking great. And then we have one more, no, a couple more maybe. There's a Fox with knives, and then, oh, okay, what is this? Choose your color. Rechargeable glow stick. Oh, cool. That's really cool. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. I see how this works. That's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit right there. And let's go over what we've got. Vosteed sticker, thank you. And for this month, we have the WE Culex, which I don't think I've actually checked out. $216. It's already by itself more than the value of the box, so that's pretty cool. And then the Raccoon, of course, that's one of my favorite budget knives. Going Gear exclusive, interesting. Let's check that out. And then the Night Eyes Radiant Fist, $12. That's awesome for $12. So can you make it like one solid color? Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Okay, let's check out the Vosteed, and then we'll check out the WE. So this is a Going Gear exclusive Vosteed Raccoon. I think they said it was Nitro V, something else, another sticker there. What did we do special here? Oh, is it? Wow. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Raphir Noble, composite handles that are semi-transparent and have a three-dimensional pattern with unique character. Yeah, I'll say. Wow. That is wild. I don't think I've ever seen Raphir Noble quite like this. That's cool. So this is the button lock version. We have, the usual really nice, really EDC-friendly blade shape. I mean, I've already talked about the Raccoon many times, so I'll let you guys check out that video if you want to, or check out Going Gear for their exclusive. That's pretty nice. It's cool to get an exclusive in a box like this. Awesome. And then the WE, this is the Culex. Let's take a look. It is rare for a WE knife to cost, so close to 200. I feel like lately they're all closer to 300 or over 300. So, what do we have? Okay, we got wait, have I reviewed this? Not a bad knife for $200. I mean, simple titanium frame, titanium pocket clip, but it's kind of that basic style clip. They do have mounting positions on both sides, so that's nice. And then we got the black and bronze combination there. Thumb studs are all right. A little on the tiny side, but the flipper works. The button lock works. Okay. Not bad. That was a pretty good box. I mean, a $217 knife, which honestly, I think they're hitting that just fine for Wii. Usually my complaint with Wii is you're about $50 too high, but no, I don't think that's bad at all. I feel like either this is very, very similar to another model, or I have actually reviewed this. I'm honestly not sure. I can't remember. I mean, the number of Wii knives just alone on this channel, it's hard for me to remember. I think this was a pretty good box. I think the premium box is right around $200. So it's like getting a discount on this and then getting this knife and that for free. Pretty cool. Either way, though, I'm sure that, obviously they sell this individually in the glow stick, but they obviously sell this individually, which I'm sure plenty of people will be, excited about. I don't know that that was probably the shortest Going Gear EDC Club video that I've ever done. I kind of want to measure and weigh these things, though. Guys get mad at me when I don't do that. Okay, let's do that. In the event that I have not reviewed this knife, then I will go ahead and review it. But overall length, 7 1/8. No, yeah, that's so weird. Okay, it's 7 1/8. Blade length is 3 inches. Cutting edge is also 3 inches on that guy. Do we have milling on the inside here? No milling on the inside. Nice combination, though. Honestly, I think this is just like a blasted blade. Or just a very lightly tumbled blade. Okay. And then the raccoon. I mean, I've already done it, but we'll go ahead and do it anyway. Raccoon, 7.65. Blade length, 3.35. Cutting edge, 3 inches. Really nice choke up position there. I'm going to give you guys another close-up on this material. Look at that. So they've got even the milling lines on it. Pocket clip. That's such a great clip. Vosti, just, hey, let me show you guys something here. This is my complaint. I know people always roll their eyes, always going to go on the pocket clip rant. Look at this. Do we understand the difference here? The difference is at the end of the bill. Oh, but it's easier to get this we clip over my pants. No. This has a ramp. As soon as you push that into your pocket seam, it will rise to meet it. This is going, where's it going? To the moon for no reason. And there's a hook, there's a bill at the end of it. All this does is grab onto stuff as you walk by. This is silly. This makes way more sense. This is a much better clip. I'll hear no arguments. I need a gavel. Oh, man. Okay, let's weigh it real quick, and then there's nothing really else to proceed with here. The weight on the Culex. Now, the more I think about this, the more I'm almost certain that I reviewed it. 3.88 ounces. Pretty good. Okay. I guess we might as well weigh the raccoon. 3.1 ounces. Reflection there. I can't quite see it. Okay. Cool. Good box. Another good one from Going Gear. I think they obviously have this figured out. There was one a long time ago where I was like, this is not a good value, but every single one of those has been great. I do wish that they would tell you. Like, I think it would be more attractive to a lot of people if they said, like, next month we're going to include blah, blah, blah. Right? And then people could just buy or not buy, like, without a subscription. I think that would be really cool. Right? It might work. I mean, maybe they have a bunch of subscriptions to it and they would lose monthly subscribers if they did it that way. Maybe. I don't know. I think it would be cool to see. Or maybe they have like a voting. I don't know. It's hard to say, right? I mean, I can sit here and wish, but I'm not running the program, so I have no idea. Cool box, though. Good value. Really like that light. Okay, that's going to be pretty much it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.